What is mayroon, meron, and may in Tagalog? Well, stick around and find out. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. In this video, I'm taking time to respond to a request from one of these channel subscribers. Let's take a look. Than posted a request. He said, "Hi Jay, could you make a video on meron? What I found confusing is how you can also say may or mayroon and the different kinds of usages." Well, Than, let's talk about mayroon, meron, and may. Let's go. Mayroon, meron, and may have two personalities. They can be verbs and they can be adverbs. As verbs, they mean two things: to have or to possess, and to exist or to indicate the existence or presence of something. If you compare them to Spanish, mayroon, meron, and may will translate to two ideas: tener and hay. Like, tengo un libro, hay un libro. The same with French with avoir and il y a. Like, j'ai un livre, il y a un livre. Mayroon, meron, and may convey the same idea as the Japanese aru, like honga arimasu. As adverbs, they are combined with nouns to express the state of being of a subject. I will cover that later in this video. First, let's examine mayroon, meron, and may as verbs with this table. Mayroon is formal. Meron is more casual. May is the shortcut of mayroon and meron. Hence, it's even more casual and informal. As you can see, both mayroon and meron exist in the timeline in the past, present, and future. Nagkaroon, mayroon, magkakaroon, nagkameron, meron, magkakameron. Take note that nagkameron and magkakameron are used in predominantly Tagalog-speaking provinces outside of the capital region of Metro Manila. Thus, they are not widely used across the Philippines. May stands alone in the present. You can't use it to describe something in the past nor in the future. In this video, I will tackle mayroon, meron, and may in the present or in the progressive aspect. I will tackle the completed and contemplative aspects in another video. Ayos? So, tara, magpapakita ako ng mga halimbawa. I will show some examples. But before that, please be sure that you're subscribed if you're still not by simply hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Alright? Ngayon, simulan na natin. Let's begin. Let's begin with the first definition: to have or to possess something. Please take note of the sentence patterns. There's quite a few of them. Our first pattern is mayroon and meron plus the subject pronoun plus ligature plus the object, which can be a noun, a verb, or an adjective. Let's try it. Mayroon akong libro. I have a book. The subject pronoun is attached with a ligature. Since ako ends in a vowel, then the ligature is nang. Ako becomes akong. The same principle applies to the following examples. Meron kang aso. You have a dog. Mayroon and meron are interchangeable. Mayroon tayong usapan. We have an agreement. Meron kaming sasabihin. We have something to say. Mayroon siyang pupuntahan. He or she has a place to go to. Meron silang problema. They have a problem. Since Tagalog is flexible, we can flip the pattern to mayroon and meron plus ligature plus object plus subject noun. Let's try. Mayroong libro si Marie. Marie has a book. Merong kotse si Ariana. Ariana has a car. Mayroong usapan sina June at Ed. June and Ed have an agreement. Merong sasabihin sina Tess at Anton. Tess and Anton have something to say. Mayroong problema si Peter. Peter has a problem. Merong solusyon sina Erica at Andrea. Erica and Andrea have a solution. Ayos ba? So far, so good? Now, let's talk about my. The pattern is my plus object plus subject pronoun or subject noun. May pera ako. I have money. May libro ka. You have a book. May gagawin kami. We have something to do or we will do something. May susunduin tayo. We have someone to pick up or we will pick up someone. May ginagawa si Tess. Tess has something she's doing or Tess is doing something. May kukunin si Anton. Anton has something to get or Anton will get something. Now, let's talk about the second definition, to exist or to indicate the existence or presence of something. Our pattern is mayroon or meron plus ligature or may without ligature plus object plus location. Mayroong libro. There is a book. Merong kotse. There is a car. May pusa. There is a cat. These statements are simple statements that point out to the existence of something. Let's have some more. Mayroong tao sa labas. There is a person outside or there is someone outside. Merong mga tao sa labas. There are people outside. May nagsasalita sa TV. There is someone speaking on television. Mayroong naglalakad sa kalye. There is someone walking in the street. Merong tumatawag sa telepono. There is someone calling on the phone. May maganda sa loob. There is someone pretty inside. Ayos ba? Are you learning something new? If so, please click the like button because that will help this channel be recommended to more people, thus helping this channel grow. Alright? The second personality of mayroon, meron, and may is that they are also adverbs. When they are combined with a noun, they create phrases that conveys the state of the subject. Let's use may in our examples because it is more commonly used as an adverb. Our pattern is may plus a noun plus the subject pronoun. Here are some examples. May sakit ako. I am sick. May kaya ka. You are rich. This has a cultural nuance. In Filipino culture, we equate one's ability with one's ability to gain wealth. Interesting, no? Moving on. May sayad siya. He or she is crazy. Imagine one's brain being dragged in the ground. That's what this phrase is all about. May alam si Ed. Ed is smart. May saysay iyan. That is worthy. May silbi kami. We are useful. May tama si June. June is drunk. The same phrase can mean another thing. May tama ako. I am hit. This is said when one is hit with a bullet. You'll hear this in Tagalog war movies. As an adverb, you can use mayroon and meron, but may has more punch. So, Than, I hope I was able to respond to your question to your satisfaction. Now, you may ask the question, what if there's nothing? Like, you don't have anything or nothing exists. What is the opposite of mayroon, meron, and may? Well, that's a whole new topic and I will talk about that in the next video. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.